Hi, I'm Rachel Gray. Welcome to my cooking channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Greek salad. It's summertime, and the best thing about summertime is a fresh vine-ripe tomato. And one of the great things you can do with a vine-ripened tomato is make this Greek salad. If you have a garden, you can do the cucumbers, the oregano, the onion, and the tomato all in your own garden. I don't have that garden anymore. All I have is herbs, so I have to go to the farmer's market. But even if you have to use a store-bought tomato, this Greek salad is amazing, and it's going to be just what you're looking for this summer. One of the great things about summers is growing your own herbs. Got some basil and some rosemary and some thyme down here. And this is my oregano, so I'm just going to take and clip some of this oregano. For this Greek salad, I love fresh herbs. Let's go over the ingredients we'll need to make this Greek salad. We need 3 large tomatoes. We need 1 cucumber, and I like the English kind. We'll need some red onion, half a cup of feta, and I like the kind that comes in a chunk. It just lasts longer and it's a better value. You'll need 12 Kalamata olives or Greek olives, 2 teaspoons of fresh oregano, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, a half a teaspoon of kosher salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. So let me show you how I put this together. And now that all the ingredients are in the bowl, all we have to do is toss it together. And there it is. It's the Greek salad. If you don't like Greek olives, just leave them out. And if you have an abundance of vegetables for your garden, this is perfect. The only thing better than a vine-ripe tomato is a vine-ripe tomato in this salad. It's fresh. It's crispy, it's salty, it's sour, that creamy feta in it. It's really good. And it's super simple, so make it today. You can find this recipe and over 200 other recipes on my blog, cookingwithrachel101.com. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Subscribing is free. Let me know how you like this salad by leaving me a comment in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like my videos. Don't forget to like my videos.